Hello everyone, here is a question from chemical equilibrium. In which of the following equilibrium Kp and Kc are not equal? Kp is the equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure and Kc is the equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. The relationship between these two is Kp equal to Kc times RT to the whole power delta Ng, where R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature, and delta Ng is the difference between the sum of number of moles of products and the sum of number of moles of reactants. So that is the delta Ng, sum of number of moles of products and sum of number of moles of reactants. So here everything is in gas phase. That means all these reactions are examples of homogeneous equilibrium, isn't it? Therefore, if delta Ng is 0, this means that Kp is equal to Kc. If it is not equal to 0, then Kp will not be equal to Kc. So let us figure out the value of delta Ng in each case. In option A, we have 1 mole here, 1 mole here. That means delta Ng is equal to 2 minus 2 here, and that is equal to 0. Therefore, Kp will be equal to Kc in that case. So delta Ng in option B will be once again 2 minus 2, because everywhere it is 1. Therefore, this will also be equal to 0. In C, it will be 2 minus 2 once again, because 1 as the stoichiometric coefficients here for I2 and H2. Therefore, this will also be 0. In D, we have 1 here, 1 here. That means delta Ng in this case is 2 minus 1, and that is equal to 1. This means option D is the correct choice here. Now the Kp won't be equal to Kc, because delta Ng is not equal to 0. Therefore, option D is the correct choice here.